Okay. So okay, first, okay, let's discuss the how the course content, okay, and what are the softwares required. Okay, all these things will discuss. Okay, and after that class, right, I will share the videos. How to install and all those. Okay, then we can start practicing from tomorrow. Okay, from SQL, we'll start from SQL. So I hope we had some demo class on past few days back. So we'll just have a overall course details and all. Okay, once again, then we can start. Okay. Okay, the course contains, right, okay, Informatica Power Center and IICS basically. Okay, so in this overall, actually, okay, first thing we will discuss SQL, okay, for 2 weeks. Okay, SQL for 2 weeks. Then we'll start the data warehouse concepts. 1 or 2 days it will be. Okay, then Power Center. Okay, Informatica Power Center. Okay, once that is completed, then we'll just have 1 or 2 days Unix. Okay, Unix. Then IICS. Okay, these are the way we can follow. Okay, first SQL, then second data warehouse concepts, then Power Center, then Unix, then IICS. All right. Okay, this is the order that we are. Okay, so for any ETL tool or reporting tool, right, SQL is the mandatory to learn. Okay, so that's why we just first start with the SQL. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so SQL is the mandatory for any data warehouse, ETL or reporting tools. So you are aware of that process, right? ETL and means. So if someone missed in the last demo means, we can discuss those things also. Okay, ETL and reporting. Okay, ETL tools and reporting tools. So Informatica Power Center, IICS, yeah, Informatica MDM. There are a lot of tools. Okay, that will come under the ETL. So what is ETL? ETL means extract, transform and load. This is the ETL. It's a process. Okay, extract the data from different source systems. Okay, and transform the data using transformations in between. Okay, and finally load the data into target. Okay, extract data from different sources and transform the data in between by using the different transformations and load the data into target. This is the ETL process. Okay, so Power Center and IICS, these will come under the ETL tools. Okay, so there are a lot other tools also will come under the ETL. Okay, and so the target that we are loading into a data warehouse. Okay, we are loading into a data warehouse. What is data warehouse? we can load all information, all the data to one place as per our requirement, as per our design, how we want that data actually to be loaded. So that information we are going to load it, right, at one place. Okay, that is called data warehouse. So once we loaded the data into data warehouse, right, once we build the data warehouse, top of data warehouse reporting, okay, peoples, what they will do, they will generate the reports, okay, graphs, right. So like graph means, so we can have the graphs like, right, so pie charts we can have it, right, they can create the pie charts, graphs, different types of reports they can generate, okay, and they will share it to the end users. Okay, so this is how it works actually. Okay, ETL process first extract data from different source systems and transform data and load the data into target. That's what data warehouse we are going to build it. And top of data warehouse, reporting peoples. So example, the tools, right, Tableau, Power BI, just a minute. Okay, like we have a lot of other tools also, okay, that will come under the reporting tool. Okay, so they can generate the reports and share it to the end users or business peoples. Okay, that easily understandable way, right, how we can see generally, right, weather reports, right, suppose corona cases from today to yesterday, like that, the comparisons, those reports. Okay, that is the reporting, and this is the ETL. Okay, so we are going to cover the ETL. In the ETL process we are going to cover Informatica Power Center and IICS. So to work with Informatica Power Center and IICS, we need mandatorily SQL. Even though ETL developer, we are a ETL developer, okay, we can learn this course and we will try for the ETL developer, and support also we can. So there is reporting people, that is a different process, right, they can learn Tableau and Power BI, they can also try for Tableau developer, right, Power BI. So that is a different person, this is a different person. Okay, so anybody, ETL or reporting, SQL is the mandatory for everybody. Okay, why? Because data will be stored on different database, suppose Oracle, right, Teradata, SQL Server, any database. So that uses the SQL is the language. Okay, it's a mandatory. Okay, it's not advanced, we don't need advanced actually, we need basics of, okay, some commands, some queries, how we can, right. So as per our requirement to work with the ETL, these tools. Okay, that much is enough. Okay, we can cover all the basics. Alright, then we will go with the data warehouse concepts. Okay, just it's a concept. What is a data warehouse, what is a fact, what is a dimension. Okay, so what are those required information. Okay, and then Power Center tool. Okay, so here we can discuss the real time. Okay, how we can get the real time requirement actually, right, generally working with the real time. So how we can get the requirement, how it will be different scenarios, what type of scenarios you can get it, and how we have to build that, and how we have to test that, okay, data, right, all those things we'll discuss. Okay, and we can discuss the frequently asked questions also in interviews, right, mainly they will ask the frequent questions, right, in overall SQL, suppose SQL we have covered. So in the SQL, what are the frequent questions, interview questions you can face it generally. So we are aware of it, right, so we faced a lot of interviews I have faced, so I can share all my knowledge and queries, all those things. Okay, all the question analysis. Okay, from each topic I'll go in. Okay, in SQL these are the frequent questions, these are the answers. So in data warehouse these are the questions, these are the answers. So on Power Center, so like that, from each topic wise we can have the question and answers as per interview perspective. Okay, so you should practice day to day. Okay, whenever we are discussing the SQL, right, or Power Center or anything, so you just need to practice whatever we have discussed today, right. so that it will be quite easy for you to crack the interviews and get the confidence. Okay, so if you need any help on clearing the interviews, right, so we can have that also. Okay, whatever the help you want it, right, you can ping me. Okay, you can ask me either group or individually, you can, right. Okay, I'll provide whatever the queries you have, whatever the issues, whatever the things, whatever your profile, right, whatever it is, so we can have some solution for that, definitely. Okay. All right, so far anybody have any questions? Okay, so first SQL, then database, then Power Center, then Unix and ISC. So this is order, so we can have it. Okay, and the required softwares to install it actually. So we have two ways. One thing is we can install the Oracle database and Power Center tool, okay, individually into our local system. Okay, but we have another way also. We have the VMware. Okay, so that there also we can install, like VMware workstation. So if you are able to see my desktop, right, this icon, VMware workstation. So this one also we can install actually. In the VMware workstation only the Oracle Power Center has been installed for practice. Okay, that will be in the virtual machine. Okay, so why? Because some people, right, they have the laptops, less configuration, okay, 2GB, 4GB like that, 2GB like that, right. So it will be, if you install that in the locally, right, the Power Center and Oracle database, so that will get slow, the performance of your system. Okay, it will get slow down. Okay, if it is 8GB, right, then it will be good. Okay, then it will not impact any performance issue even after installing that Power Center and Oracle database. Okay, so some people having the less configuration, means then it's better to install the VMware. Okay, it's better to install the VMware, so then it will be easy and will not face any that performance issues. Okay, you can practice that, okay, in the VMware itself. All right. Okay, I will share that actually. Okay, VS, how to install all those. Okay, I will share you. Okay, so that you can install and we can start practicing from tomorrow. Okay, we will start from SQL. Okay, anybody any queries? So far we discussed are out of this general queries. When you have any doubts? Okay. Yeah.
How to install Oracle database and Power Center?
Yeah. So we have the softwares. Okay. We can install that. I will share that video too. Okay. How to installation, how to download, how to install. Okay. All those step-by-step video I will share it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Locally, if you want to install, you have to install that Oracle software and the Informatica Power Center software individually. Okay, you have to install one by one. Okay, but if you want to install that in the VMware, if you want to work on the VMware workstation, then it's already installed on the VMware, already installed. So you just need to install this VMware workstation, and I'll show that also. That way also, both way. Okay. whichever you're comfortable, you can have it. Okay, I'll share those videos today. Okay. Anybody have any other questions, queries, any issues? If you have some queries, anything, any doubts, so how is the calls and how is the package, some other, any other calls, packages, all those, how, so you can discuss, okay, offline or online, okay, it's fine, anything is fine, okay. No questions? That's it. Okay. Okay, then okay. So we will connect tomorrow. Okay, no questions in the sense. Okay, I'll show that actually, and I'll share that videos for the installation on. Okay, then we'll connect tomorrow. Okay. All right. So in the group already, WhatsApp group, we have the contact. I mean, I think you can have my contact. I think so. So Gurunada. So you can contact. Okay, if you want to ping individually. Okay, if you want something, right? Okay. Any doubts in the case? Okay, you can ping me. Individual or group. Okay. Fine then. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Same time, 10 o'clock. Okay. See you tomorrow.